The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So today in this video again we will see that how we can increase our Instagram audience. If you check my last few videos, I have shown you already that how you can get all the followers and audience for your Instagram profile. That's again I'm going to show you the new method how you can get audience for your IG account. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Make sure that you subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can also join our Facebook group Premium Show to get daily updates. Scuser, this site we will use today. So you can see here it's basically a website which is providing growth service for Instagram. And now you can see there's a offer going on. All services working on Monday 28 June. Anyway, we just crossed this date. Now if you come down, you will see the organic Instagram growing tricks here without any risks. You can see there harm-free and full risk-free. And if you notice that how you can grow legitimately their Instagram, you can see here. And after that you can read out all these instructions that why you should buy from here or not, and you can check out their 1000+ reviews from trusted websites, and you can ask anything to their support if you have any problem. Now as you can see, we click here and get up to 50 in every 24 hours. Now when you claim that, you will see here's another page. So here in this page you have to give your IG details and then create a new account. So after creating a new account, it will send a confirmation link in your email what you used to create that account. So you will get a confirmation code. You just simply paste it and active your account. So whenever you active your account, you will see a dashboard like this where they ask you to select 3 or 4 categories based on your IG niche. So you can select any of them what you want. So in my case I am choosing luxury, lifestyle, family, this type of niche. You can choose any of them. Now you can see here's the special offer that will gain up to 65 targeted audience. Now when we see the instructions, it will active when we follow their rules. So what the rules here, you can see here, or you can just click and active. Now it will give you instructions that you had to follow only 10 people, but if you unfollow them again, then it will reduce all your audience, and as well as it will ban your ID from their database. Anyway, let's speed this up. Now as you can see, our given task is complete. We can see read the instructions here that within 24 hours we'll get minimum 25 audience. So again after 24 hours, I mean the next day, you will able to do the same thing. And if you go for the next part, you can see here the free likes you will get in any of or your Instagram post. You can select any of your or someone else post and copy their post link and submit here, and after few minutes it will give you all the likes. Now you can edit you can go for my account, and from my account you can update your account details like the categories, or you can delete your account from here. You can update your password as well. And if you go for the my account, and from you select from my account you select Insta Global, and here you can update your Instagram account. If you want to get more follower or audience in different IG, you can do it the same way. This way you will able to get more followers. So you can see that we get up to 80 followers in our account. So it's a fake account we use. So you can see this just the follower we get, and most of them are our target, our niche based profile, our niche based audience we get. So this is just a real-time audience we get from this tool. And if we check the post, we get the likes or not. So you can see here we got all the likes. So this is a pretty cool tool. You can use it for your own self and for your marketing purpose. So hope you're gonna like this video. Thanks. We will give you more video like this in upcoming days. Have a great day.